Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive deeper into building a node.js web server from the ground up. This is Back to Basics, Web Development with Node.js Server, Part 2, focusing on routing, middleware, basic data handling, and some common server-side tasks. Recap from Part 1, Assumed Knowledge. We're assuming you have a basic understanding of *node.js and npm, Node Package Manager, installation. Creating a package.json file, using npm init y. Installing dependencies, example npm install express. Creating a basic server that listens on a port and sends a simple response. What we'll cover in Part 2 1. Routing handling different URL paths, example / about, / products. 2. Middleware functions that intercept requests and responses for processing, example logging, authentication. 3. Request handling extracting data from requests, query parameters, request body. 4. Response handling sending different types of responses, HTML, JSON, redirects. 5. Basic data storage, simulated will simulate a simple data store in memory. We'll cover storing the data into JSON file and retrieving data from JSON file. 6. Basic error handling handling common errors and sending appropriate responses. 7. JSON handling post request for accepting data and retrieving it. 8. Modules use of modules for cleaning the code. Let's get started. Project setup. 1. Create a project directory *. 2. Create server.js*. 1. Basic routing. Routing is the process of determining how an application responds to a client request to a particular endpoint, which is a URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, and a specific HTTP request method, GET, POST, etc. Create products.json file. Create public folder for profile.html. Create public folder for sample.pdf. You can create sample PDF from any online tool. Explanation *. We use Express Router to create modular route handlers. *router.get /path req res equals defines a route for get requests to /path. The callback function handles the request and sends a response. *req is the request object, contains information about the client's request. *res is the response object, used to send data back to the client. *res.send sends a simple text response. *res.send file sends a file as an attachment. Run the server *. Visit these URLs in your browser. *http://localhost 3000/ *http://localhost 3000/about *http://localhost 3000/products. 2. Middleware. Middleware functions are functions that have access to the request object, req, the response object, res, and the next, middleware function in the application's request-response cycle. Middleware functions can *execute any code, *make changes to the request and the response objects, *end the request-response cycle, *call the next middleware function in the stack. Explanation *. Logger middleware is a custom middleware function. *console.log logs the request method and URL to the console. *next is crucial. It calls the next middleware function in the chain, or the route handler if it's the last middleware. If you don't call next, the request will hang indefinitely. *appuse, logger middleware, applies this middleware to all routes. You can apply it to specific routes as well, see below. Middleware for specific routes *. Now, only requests to routes defined in this router will trigger this specific middleware. 3. Request handling, query parameters, route parameters, and request body. Query parameters data appended to the URL after example /search, q equals node.js and sort equals relevance. Route parameters dynamic segments in the URL, example /products/id. Request body data sent in the body of post, put, and patch requests, often JSON or URL encoded data. Explanation *. req_params.id accesses the value of the id route parameter. req_query.q accesses the value of the q query parameter. req body, we'll use this with post requests in a later example. Important you need middleware like body parser to parse the request body. How to test with query parameters *. Visit http://localhost 3000/search, q equals example and sort equals price. 4. Response handling, status codes, JSON, and redirects. Explanation *. res.status, 200, sets the HTTP status code, 200 OK is the default, but you'll often use others like 201 created, 400 bad request, 404 not found, 500 internal server error. *res.json, data, sends a JSON response. Express automatically sets the content type header to application/JSON. *res.redirect, /about, sends a redirect response, causing the browser to navigate to /about. 5. Basic data storage, simulated. For simplicity, we'll simulate a data store in memory, an array. In a real application, you'd use a database like MongoDB, PostgreSQL, or MySQL. We store and retrieve data into JSON file. Please look at the routes products JSON for the same. 6. Basic error handling. Explanation *. The error example route intentionally throws an error. Next, error, passes the error to the next error handling middleware. The error handling middleware is defined using *appuse, err, req, res, next, equals. It's crucial that error handling middleware is defined after all your other routes and middleware. Express executes middleware in the order they are defined. 7. JSON handling. For this, please look at the routes products JSON for the same. It takes JSON data as post request and then add that data into JSON file. 8. Modules. We've already started using modules by separating the routes into routes.js. Here's why modules are important and how to use them. Organization break your code into logical units. Reusability share code across different parts of your application. Maintainability easier to understand, debug, and modify code. Key takeaways routing maps URLs to specific handlers. Middleware intercepts and processes requests and responses. Request handling extracts data from URLs and request bodies. Response handling sends data back to the client in various formats. Error handling gracefully handles errors and prevents your server from crashing. Modules organizes your code for better structure and reusability. This expanded tutorial provides a more complete foundation for building node.js web servers. Remember to practice these concepts and experiment with different approaches. Good luck.